Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have a new light here from Thrunite. This is a Thrunite TI Pro. So I actually haven't opened this up yet. I haven't even seen one of these, so we're gonna open it up, see what it is. Looks like it opens right here. I've done a lot of reviews of Thrunite lights, and I absolutely love their lights. They're just super quality. So you can tell here by this, it's going to be USB-C rechargeable. It's got a USB to USB-C right here. And here's going to be our user manual. This is going to be the belt clip right here. Check out how small this light is. It's like tiny. I think it's just like a AA size battery. Of course, it'll be a lithium rechargeable battery. We'll spin this off to see. It's like a AA style. 920 milliamp hour, 14500 3.7 volt. And that's how you charge. You actually plug in your USB-C right into the battery and then plug that into a USB to charge it. So pretty cool. Okay, so snap our clip on here in case you want to clip this on a belt, or you can actually clip this on a visor in your vehicle. Is a good place to carry it. Just clip it on your visor. But this is a super simple light, so all there is to turning this thing on is you just twist it to turn it on, twist it back to turn it off. Every time you twist it, it will be in a different mode. So you'll be, there's low, medium, high. So basically just by turning it off and on, you're switching it. So super simple, and something that's really easy to use, gonna last you a long time. Okay, so let's take a look here at the specifications. Pretty simple on this light because there's not a whole lot to it. Okay, on high power, looks like it's going to run 120 seconds at 1012 lumens. Then after that 120 seconds, it's going to drop down to 262 lumens, and it'll run 133 minutes. That's pretty good for a little AA rechargeable battery. Then it looks like on medium power, 277 lumens, and it'll run 150 minutes. On low power, which is 30 lumens, it will run 19 hours. That's crazy. 19 hours you get out of a AA battery to have ample light. Pretty darn cool. So basically it's pretty simple. Right here it says turn it off and on by twisting the housing. The change modes, same way. Twist it to go on and off. Every time it's going to change the low, medium to high. And it tells you about the charging. Pretty simple. Okay, I got it out here in the dark. I actually have to set this camera on a tripod because to twist this kind of takes two hands to twist it to turn it on. So had to use a tripod. So we'll go ahead and turn this on. That's probably low right there. Off, back on. Probably medium, off, back on. There's high, yeah. So off, back on, there's low, which I'm just twisting it, on and off. Off, back on, there's medium. Okay, if you don't twist it quick, then you get this, it making contact real quick. It'll kind of switch modes on you. So back on, back on. I mean, it works good. It's just get the hang of turn it off, back on, turn it off, back on. There's high. So I mean, the thing is really actually bright for such a small light. It's not really a spot. It's kind of a cross between a spot flood. See it over here on the motorcycle covers. Right there, we can shine it up here in these trees. There's up in the trees. I mean, it's actually, there's up to plumb to the top of the trees up there. Pretty bright, and that's on, of course, high power. Let's turn it down. There's low. It does light them up, but not much. Medium, a whole lot better. Let's see, there's medium, and there's high. Pretty darn good. So, impressive little light for such a tiny little light. In fact, most time, low is actually good enough to, you can see everywhere out here in the dark. No problem. See the RV good. Just on low. So, most time, and what did it say, 19 hours, I think, on low? That's a long time for having that much light. So there we go. I like it. Okay, guys, that is it for the super simple Thrunite TI Pro. Very neat little light. You can see it's actually pretty dang bright for such a small light. But you want something low price, something easy to use, it'd be a good thing to keep with your kids, whatever. Keeping the woman's purse, something like that. I'm gonna throw this actually probably on the visor of the Jeep, just so there'll always be a light in there. Thank you all for watching. Check out the link to Thrunite below. They have everything when it comes to flashlights and super good quality. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Catch you on the next one. Right on.